Welcome to Trigonometry Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to identify and name the three sides of a right triangle: the hypotenuse, the opposite side, and the adjacent side. First, let's make sure we know what a right triangle is. A right triangle is simply a triangle that contains one 90-degree angle. This angle is often marked with a small square symbol in the corner. Every right triangle has three specific names for its sides. These are the hypotenuse, the opposite side, and the adjacent side. It is crucial to identify them correctly to solve trigonometry problems. Let's start with the easiest one, the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the longest side of the right triangle. You can always find it by looking directly across from the right angle. Just follow the arrow from the square symbol. To name the other two sides, we need a point of reference. We choose one of the other angles, usually labeled with the Greek letter theta. This is called our reference angle. Now look at the side directly across from your reference angle, theta. This is called the opposite side. Imagine shooting an arrow from the angle. It hits the opposite side. Notice that this side does not touch the angle at all. The last side is called the adjacent side. The word adjacent means next to. This side is next to the reference angle. It connects the reference angle to the right angle. Be careful not to confuse it with the hypotenuse. Here is a very important point. The names opposite and adjacent depend entirely on where your reference angle is. If we move theta to the top corner, the side on the bottom becomes the opposite side, and the vertical side becomes adjacent. The hypotenuse, however, stays the same. Let's recap. The hypotenuse is the longest side across from the right angle. The opposite side is across from your reference angle, and the adjacent side is next to your reference angle. Master these definitions, and you are ready for SOH CAH TOA.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.